Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children, just a second. Let me admit all, then we'll start. Can you see an exercise of prepositions on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
We have 10 sentences on your screen. These are prepositions. Open your notebooks. Write revision test number 1. Please write down revision test number 1 quickly. Put today's date. Write revision test number 1. Just do this much.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
After you have written revision test number 1 and you have already put today's date, now listen carefully what you need to do. This is an assessment, self-assessment. You will get 30 seconds for each blank. There are 10 sentences. 30 seconds for each blank means 5 minutes. You'll get 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will all post your word test on the group. Then I'll speak the answers. You will check yourself and then we'll discuss the marks. I hope I'm clear. And in these 5 minutes, nobody will disturb anyone. You will not say done, ma'am, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, nothing. We have 5 minutes, that's final. If you do before that, then also it's okay. If you're not able to finish, then also it's okay. You will not ask the meaning of any sentence. Think as if you're giving a test. Is it okay for all of you? How many sentences are there? 10. 10 sentences
10.
are there. Yes. And you have 30 seconds for each sentence. Okay. So total time given to you is 5 minutes. Your time starts now. Please start writing the answers in your notebook. Those who've joined us late, put today's date, write revision test number 1. Quickly write the answers to all these sentences. Nobody will say done, ma'am, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. It's a time-bound test of 5 minutes. Please start quickly. Do not disturb anyone. Do your work, let others do. Think as if you're giving an exam. Everybody is supposed to do. Yes, Peter. Last 1 minute is left. Hurry up, 30 seconds more.
Mom, done. Good morning, ma'am.
Time is over now, children. Time is finished. Please start the corrections. I'm giving you the answers. Shiva was born dash here. Tell me the answer to the first one.
In.
In.
Yes, it is in. Second one.
At.
For.
For.
Both are
at.
correct. Both are correct. For is also correct. At is also correct. Third one.
With.
On.
Ma'am. On.
On.
No, it should be with. Not to compromise.
Ma'am.
With.
With. Yes, ma'am. With.
Fourth one. Fourth.
Ma'am. Off.
Off.
Very, very good. Fifth.
From.
From. From.
Very good. F1.
Over.
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 Very over. Excellent. G1.
From.
Since.
Since is correct. Not from. No, it should not be from. From is indefinite period, and here they have told you clearly it is yesterday. So since. H.
In.
Towards.
Around.
Hmm?
Towards.
Across.
Towards.
It could be across, it could be towards, it could be into, anything. I.
Among.
Among.
Very good.
Among.
Very good. And the last one.
After.
After.
Yes, it could be after, it could be in, it could be within. So at the end, I'll ask you your scores, not now. This is your second exercise. Here you have, let's see the scores today. Quickly, prepare your answers. Please write down revision test number 2. Put this as number 2. Then at the end, we'll see the scores. Write it as revision test number 2 very quickly. Start writing the answers. Hurry up, dear.
Ma'am,
Please.
can we just put question number 2?
No, actually, I want the test scores separately. So put it as test number 2. And then I want the marks separately for different answers. Your time starts now. Nobody will say done. Quietly do your work. Hurry up, last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Yes, please be ready. We are going to discuss now. All are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Fine, beta. Let me read it out for you. Minal has achieved a lot in her life, but she cannot be given the credit that she boasts.
Of all.
Very good. Very good. Of all. Second,
Over.
I'm about.
sandwiches are snacks
about.
made about bread.
I'm off.
By.
Boast
Of.
about.
Made with
Pardon?
bread.
This is about. Sandwiches are snacks made dash bread
I'm off.
by
From.
of bread or by bread and some filling dash it.
In it.
Yes, it is in. There is a playground dash our house.
Near.
Behind.
Around.
In. Near and in.
It can be near,
And
it can
behind
be,
and in.
it can be behind, it can be beside, it can be near, and here it is in. The program begins dash and R.
In
In.
and out.
In and all. In
An
and
hour.
all.
And I have to be there dash 6 p.m.
By.
At.
I.
At.
Ma'am,
At
by.
and by both are correct. The class was divided dash 2 groups.
Into.
Into.
Into 2 groups. Continue. Give me the answers.
Two.
Two.
For. In. At.
For.
No,
In.
not
At.
like this. No, not like this. Please read out the sentence. Read out the sentence. One at a time, please read out the sentence. Only don't tell the answers.
Yes, ma'am. The class was divided into two groups, and each group had to vote for the leader.
Okay, fine. After this, anyone else would like to speak? Come on, next sentence. Someone else. Speak better. Someone else also should speak.
When vote a leader according to themselves.
Any other answer?
By
Ma'am, can
themselves.
I?
For.
By themselves is better. Okay. For themselves will also go. And according is not a preposition, so we'll not take according. We can have by. By themselves would be the best answer, no doubt. Yes, continue, children. Who speak the next?
Who would respect them in the class debate?
Yes, continue. Any other answer?
I.
If there's a difference of answer, please speak up.
No, ma'am.
Okay, continue with that.
I reached the party on time, but there was nobody to welcome me.
Do you all agree, or is there any difference in the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If everybody is okay, then continue. Move on to the next one.
He to my
Hmm?
He agreed by my proposal.
Me too.
Yes, Deo?
Ma'am, he agreed to my
Too.
proposal and also agreed
Yes.
with what I had said.
Yes, it's always
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
write with
ma'am.
ma'am with on
Yes.
the
Agreed
second?
goes with to only, okay? He agreed to, not agreed from. Yes. What is the next one? Speak out.
By displaying his presence of mind, he was able to kill the snake with an iron rod.
Any other answers? Anyone? Any
Ma'am,
questions here?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, in first one I wrote with, ma'am.
Speak out
Ma'am,
the
the
sentence.
H1, the first one I wrote with.
Just speak out the sentence.
Displaying his presence of mind, he was able to kill the snake with an iron rod.
Yes, this also can be taken. By presence of mind, with presence of mind, anything can be taken. Okay, is there any other answer for this sentence?
No, ma'am.
Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this was the last sentence. So, approximate, what is your score here, children?
Ma'am, full. Ma'am, full.
Full.
Ma'am, full.
Okay,
Ma'am,
let's see. Very good. Start. Again, you have 5 minutes for this exercise. Nobody will speak, nobody will disturb for 5 minutes. And finish off this exercise quietly and raise your hands. I don't want anybody to speak and disturb in these 5 minutes when you're doing your test. Please continue. Are beta last 1 minute? I'm about to discuss the answers. I hope everyone has finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. All of you be ready now. Okay, now you give me the answers. I'll start with the sentences. Raman fell dash the soft grass.
Into.
On.
On the soft grass. You cannot fell into. No? Into means under. Off the soft grass. Dash his way back home.
On his.
On his way back.
On.
On his way back home. Dash school.
From.
Yes, yes, it is from school. Dash 4 p.m.
At.
Yes, at 4 p.m.
At.
I would like dash help her.
To.
To.
Yes. Dash her studies.
In.
In.
With her studies would be better. In will also be good. As she has her test dash Monday.
On.
On.
Very good. He is the thief the police were looking.
For.
For.
Good. Cheating was being done. Dash the very nose of the invigilator.
By.
Under.
No.
Under.
Yes.
By. By.
It's not by. Under the very nose of the invigilator. Or at the very nose also will go. At will also go, beta. This is difficult work and his dash is capacity.
Beyond.
Very good. Beyond. He goes to his office dash foot.
By.
By.
By foot.
No, beta. On foot.
Mm.
पैदल चलने को we say on foot. He goes to his office on foot, but sometimes goes dash cycle also.
By.
By.
Very good. Bye. Make sure that when I return, the room is free dash dirt.
From.
From.
Yes. Free of dirt or free from dirt, both are correct. Rajan fell straight dash a ditch.
On. In.
Into.
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 Whenever there is motion, it is into. Fell straight into a ditch and could not get out dash it.
Of.
Of it.
Out of
Of
it
it.
dash is on.
On. On.
Very good. On his own. The guest preferred vegetarian food dash non-vegetarian food.
Ma'am, with
To.
2. The guest preferred vegetarian food too. Prefer ke saath we always take 2. The guest preferred vegetarian food to non-vegetarian food. So the cook prepared a dish made dash fish vegetables.
With.
With.
by.
and
Ma'am, by.
Made of fresh vegetables dash aromatic spices.
By.
Along with.
With aromatic spices or in aromatic spices. She went and sat dash her grandmother.
Beside.
Very good. Beside her grandmother dash listen dash story.
To listen.
To.
Yes, to listen to a story. Now tell how many people got it wrong and how many got it right. Yes. Tell me quickly.
One wrong.
Ma'am, one wrong.
One
wrong. Ma'am, one
Too
wrong.
long.
Ma'am, two wrong.
Okay, never mind. Have you done this exercise?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. This one? No.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Second also we have done?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
And we've done the third one. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. So you've done with 3 exercises. That's really nice. Very, very good. Any confusions? I hope you know the difference between on and upon. Tell me, what is the
Yes.
difference? Tell me,
Ma'am, please repeat.
what is the difference between on and upon? Tell me. What is the difference between on and upon? Yes, yes. Okay, if you cannot explain it to me, make a sentence. Make a sentence with on and one with upon. Come on, let me see who can do this. Come on, children, make a sentence with on and upon. Hurry up. Any one simple sentence, one with on, one
I
with upon.
shall meet you on next Friday.
I will meet you on next
Ma'am,
Friday. Correct. This is
I
correct.
shall meet you on next Friday.
ठीक है, it's okay. Now next one, upon. Make a sentence. Who will make a sentence with upon so that we get to know the difference between on and upon?
Ma'am, I fell upon the grass.
Very
cat
good.
is upon
I fell upon the grass.
the
So
cat
why
is
did you
sitting
use
upon the
upon? Why
table.
did you not use on, beta? Tell me quickly. Why did you use upon? Why not on?
Ma'am, on is used for days and dates.
No, that's fine. But why did you not use on? I fell on the grass. Why
Ma'am,
did you say
on is
upon the
ma'am
grass?
on is on the table, and ma'am upon is down the table.
Upon is down the table. On is used for rest and upon is used for motion. Now tell me, the book is lying dash the table. On or upon?
On. On.
Yes, it's simply lying
On.
there, no? It's simply lying there. It's not moving. There's no motion. So on the table. And the cat jumped dash the table?
Upon.
Upon.
Very good, very good. Same difference we have in and into also. Okay, in is used for rest and into is used for what?
Motion.
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 Okay, now tell me. The students were sitting dash the class. Into the class or in the class?
In.
In the class.
Okay. The teacher walked dash the class. In the class or
Into.
into the class?
Into the
Into
class.
the class.
Very good. So all are clear with the in, into, on and upon?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Since and from. Tell me the difference or simply make a sentence to make it clear. Difference between since and from. Tell me quickly. What is the difference between
Ma'am.
since and from?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
since we
she
use
is
when
in-
we by.
I could not understand, Dhananjay. Speak again. What is the difference between since and from, children?
Ma'am, since is used for definite time.
For example, give me a sentence.
Ma'am, she is in this room since 1999.
Ma'am, she has been studying
I
since
haven't
morning.
talked to her since last week.
Okay. And then from, make a sentence with from so that the meaning is clear to everyone. Come on, make a sentence with from. Come on, children, not a very difficult job. Make a sentence with from. He has been my friend dash 10 years. For 10 years or since 10 years?
Since.
Tell me, children.
From.
Since.
From.
Or. Beta, we are not doing from. We are doing for and since. There's a confusion only in for and since. From is different. So he has been my friend dash 10 years. For or since? Tell me quickly.
Since.
Nobody is speaking. Only one
For
failure?
For
Yes, it is for 10 years. Because we did not tell which 10 years. Okay. And if I say he has been my friend dash 1989, then since or for?
since
Since.
Very good, very good. He has been studying dash 5 hours. For or since?
For.
since
For 5 hours. Very good. He has been studying dash 4 o'clock.
since
Very good. He has been waiting at the railway station dash 5 hours.
Since.
for
For.
Yes, it is for. He has been waiting at the railway station dash 2 o'clock.
since
Yes, it is since. Now you people give me one sentence with for and one with since. I hope now it is clear to everybody. Is it clear the difference between for and since, or you want me to do it again?
ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. For and since is okay?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have been teaching, okay, I have been teaching English grammar dash 40 minutes.
since
Since.
Hmm? No,
for
which 40 minutes did I tell you? No,
no
I have
ma'am
been teaching, I
for.
have been teaching grammar dash 950. Tell me now.
since
Since.
Yes, very good. It is since. Now you people, I'll give you a minute. You plan your answers quickly. Okay, plan your answers. I want one sentence with since and one with from. Quickly, I'll give you 1 minute, then I'll ask any one of you.
Ma'am, she had been live in Paris for
Beta,
3
wait a
months.
second. I said take a minute. Hold on. Okay, speak now. Whoever will speak both the sentences. Since also and
Yes,
for
ma'am.
also. Start.
Ma'am, she had been live in Paris for 3 months. And ma'am, for since I had lived in New York since my childhood.
Do you think both the sentence is correct? Children, others, tell me. Tell me quickly. Are they correct?
Ma'am, the voice was very low. I could not hear.
Yes, it's okay. It's correct. Dhananjay. I have heard it's fine. Who will speak next? Come on, tell me.
Ma'am, me,
it's a long
Yes.
time since we met.
It's a long time since we met. Okay, next. Come on, quickly. Who
I
will
have
speak the
waited
next?
at that station for 5 hours.
Yes, we are saying for 5 hours because we don't know which 5 hours, no? Good. Very good. Next.
I
When
have
she is speaking
waited
from 5
at the
hours.
I waited at the railway station for 5 hours is correct. Yes, dear. Anyone else? So we are done with since for. We are also done with in into. We are done with on and upon. Correct? And is there any confusion still? Please let me know. In these, the ones which I've done with you. Is there any confusion here?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Acha, what is the difference in between and among? Tell me.
Ma'am, can you
Between
repeat?
and among. Difference in between and among.
Ma'am, between is used between two people and among is used for more than two.
Yes, between is used for two people and among is used for more than two people. Distribute the sweets dash the students in the class.
Among.
So should it be among?
Among.
Very, very good. Okay, let's meet tomorrow now. Okay, fine, bache. Hardly any time
Thank you,
left.
ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
bye,
ma'am.
bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, my test copy.
Post it on the group. Very good. Post on the beta. I have done the changes. Don't worry. You are
Ma'am,